Hello, my name is Angelique and I'm French. I've been doing the yoga teacher training at One Yoga on Koh Phangan in Thailand, and I really enjoyed it. I first wanted to do the training because I like yoga in the asana practice, so more in the physical practice. And later, or during my practice, I realized it's not only about the physical aspects, but it's also about meditation. And that's why also I really enjoyed this training, because it's not only about the physical aspect, it's also a lot about meditation and the history. But on the other hand, I really enjoyed the practice of the asanas, and the art of teaching was really interesting, and we started teaching between each other from the third day or the fourth day, so really early. That was something I was very scared about and I didn't like to talk in front of all the people, and the first time I did it was awful for me. But yeah, I did my last practicum, so 60 minutes, and it went well. I did it. And it was a big challenge to come here, to go out of my comfort zone, but yeah, well, I did it, and it's still hard even today, and it's a great place. I think it's everything, the group, the team, all the people, from the students and the teachers were always helping me, and I really enjoyed it. So I would recommend you to come here too. And well, I will maybe see you one day as a teacher. Thank you. Namaste.